Grew up with Sadaweya, that's blood, thicker than water. Just 17 when we started hardcoding the culture. Village of Natku led by Lati, a leader who saw no separation between herself and the people's loss. She trained us every day, sculpting warriors with pride. Stood on the front line, the reason our people would ride. We yearned for honor, a death that the legends would speak. But honor was burned the night the Shangdi broke the peace. I woke to the screaming, the terror, the flames painting skies. My father, my mother, just gone before my own eyes. Chaos erupted, sword swinging, the fight was in vain. I found Sadaweya sitting silent amidst the pain. His folks had been butchered, I pulled him by the shoulder and ran. We hid in the haystack, watching Taito's twisted plan. He captured Lati, brought her down onto her knees, then lined up the citizens, mocking the Natku breeze. I saw my own parents prepare to charge into the light. Sadaweya gripped me, hissed, "You'll die if you step out tonight." Lati cried out, "Don't hurt him, take me instead, I beg you." Taito laughed and ordered the massacre, he wanted her to view. Blood sprayed the horizon, we held back the scream in our throat as Lati yelled, "I'll kill you!" Taito finished the awful note, blade to her neck. Maybe in another life, the devil said, and in that quiet moment, our future was instantly dead. Yeah, we ran through the timber, 4 years of ghosts on our backs. Studied the Shangdi, they rocked the defenses, their attacks. We trained for that moment, 2 souls forged in bitter desire. One singular purpose to cleanse Natku in holy fire. But stakeout went wrong, the scouts caught us, brought us inside. A mass defiant, we told Taito we came to end his stride. He called Natku worthless, degraded the memory we held, and sent us to chambers where we were brutally quelled. Weeks of the shackles, the blood on the floor where we lay. Doubt crept in the dark, but Sadaweya said no, not today. We strangled one guard, escaped with our gear and our rage. Waited, recuperated until we turned the dark page. One look from Sadaweya, I knew it was time, we were done. Sharpened the steel, waited low for the setting of sun. We moved in the fortress, no mercy, no glance in the eye. Honor was forfeit, our hatred was 10 stories high. Then the alarm rang out, Taito stepped out to command. Sadaweya walked forward, blade cutting through the land. I followed the frenzy, a ring of his soldiers appeared. We sliced through the legion, fueled by the future we feared. Taito just watched them drop the blood, soaking into the stone. Sadaweya pointed the sword, "You!" Taito whispered alone. We both charged like demons, his skill deflected the blur. Then threw Sadaweya the flash, Taito's blade went right through a warrior's death. Taito whispered, twisting the steel. Sadaweya fell, soul leaving the wound I could finally feel. Tears in my vision, I screamed, "I'll kill you," and charged in the red. My rage was the engine, adrenaline lifting the dead. We dwelled in a blizzard of steel. He grew weaker with every swing. I was unstoppable, a broken mechanical thing. One final slice across his belly, the guts fell down to the ground. He held his insides, then dropped the blade without a sound. He fell to his knees, I pointed my sword at his face. "You took everything, Taito, now pay for this place." I pulled off his helm, stood above and prepared for the strike. The blade arced down, but whacking my shoulder hit like a spike. "Kill her!" Taito yelled as arrows rained down in the plight. I ran through the darkness, escaping the vengeful night. Now I stand by the shrine I built, looking at scars on my skin, swearing to Natku into Sadaweya I will finish what we began.